On question number 3, the order is coming in for 0.3 grams of Thorazine. So I'm going to set up my proportion, and the strength is 100 milligrams. And because this is tablets, we set it up as over 1 tab. So you don't put it over 100 tabs because that's the entire bottle. So it's always just over 1 tab when it's a tablet question. Okay, so I want to solve my proportion, but I need to make sure that my units match. So I'm going to convert the 0.3 grams into milligrams, and I do that by moving it over 3 places. So 300 milligrams, and then I can solve. So 1 times 300 divided by 100, and we get 3. So x is equal to 3 tabs.